Hello, Dr. Yusko. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present this topic. So today I have come up with the Power BI Microsoft Power BI application. So as part of the project, this is the Power BI app which I have installed on my desktop to complete the course project, to work on the course project. So if you can see here, this is how it looks like, and these are all the different menus which are available for us. So if you click on the file, so we have different options: new, open, save as, share, get data, import, export, publish, and these are all the different options available under new. And this under the home menu we have get data, Excel workbook, data hub, SQL server, enter data, dataverse, recent sources, transform data, refresh, new visuals, text box, more visuals. And this, if you click on the insert, we have got options like new page, new visuals, more visuals, question and answers, key influences, decomposition tree, and there are so many other options available here like elements, like text box, buttons, shapes, and image. And under modeling, this is for different modeling, used for the modeling like new measure, quick measure, new column, new table, and under the view we have different these are the available themes. And this is the page view, mobile layout. This is more for mobile views. And here we have bookmarks, selection, performance analyzers, sync slicers, many other options here. And if you click on the optimize, we have got some other options here. And we have under the help menu we have got different options available here, such as examples, guided learning, training videos, support to help people to understand the Power BI app. So um, for this, if you can see on the right, we have the data, and these are the different data sets available on my desktop, and these are the different visualizations which we can perform to represent the data. So just if you slide through these options, you will get the name here. This is a stacked bar chart. This is a stacked column chart. This is clustered bar chart. This is a pie chart. This is a donut chart. This is a gauge, and these are the views which we create. Here we get the views or the visualizations which we create on this page. This is for the desktop version and this is for the mobile version. And these are different types of views. And here, if you can click, this is a report view which shows the graphical representation of the scores or the different data. And just click on the table view. If you click on the table view, we have like student IDs ranging from 1 to some 188. This is a master data set. And here you can see the test one in class 1, in class 2, in class 6. Uh, and corresponding data for all these like midterm lab one. And just click on the SAP IDS dataset one, so you can see the different data here. SAP IDS dataset 2, you can see the different data. SAP IDS 3, you can see the different data. So this is all the data which is already loaded by me. And if you click on the model view, so this is how the model view looks like. So this is a master data set which comprises of these following uh, data. And this is for SAP ideas, data set 1, data set 2, data set 3, and data set 4, and data set 5. We have loaded all the data already previously. So I'll show you how to load the data. So just click on file and open, and you can just click on, so I've saved under this year 698. if you can click on the Excel workbook, you can check here. Under this, we have already we have the following data: dataset 0, dataset 1, dataset 2, dataset 3, dataset 4, dataset 5, and just click on this and click on open. The data would be loaded, and I've already done this, so I'm not doing this right now. Just clicking on the cancel and I'm going back. So as part of the tasks which are a part of part two. So the task one is to calculate average values of scores obtained by all the students for each course assignment in every course and create a 2D chart. So name of the course assignment, average of numeric values by which is obtained. So here what I do is for under 1 1, this is the average of test 2 by all the different students. So here if you click on some particular value, then you can see here there are checkbox. So like I have selected students as legend and test 2 for the values, and for the values I've taken the average. If you can click on this, you can see the average. I didn't select the sum because it is required to select the average for all the values. So this is how we can see like what are the legends and what are the values. And here you can see the colors and corresponding student values. And if you go to 1, 2, so if you click on this or anywhere, if you click anywhere, so you can see the average of test 1 and this one. If you click on this, you can see uh, like we have used the course project of step 1. This is for course project of step 2. So for step 1.5, this is the average of the final exam by all the different students. And here you can see the final exam. So this is for different data set, like this is for different data. And as part of, and you can see that here legends is given as students and the values are all mostly used like completely used as averages, not some or any other measure. So the task two would be to combine the step one and create a single 3D chart for the following 3D chart or chart where third additional axis on this chart would be the name of the course semester. So here you can see the list of the students here under the task two. So here you can see the master data set which I used. Here it's like final exam, final score, midterm, and students. Students here I've used as legends and values as average of final score, average of final exam, and average of midterm. And this for data set for this is for this is for average of step 2 and average of step 1. This is created as average of step in class 1, in class 2, in class 5, and in class 6 by different students. So just click on some random value, you'll see the values here which are selected or which are taken as a reference to create this visualization. So I mostly use the pie chart because I personally like pie chart. So it is user friendly and I can and it's easy to understand the values. And here, if you just slide and you can see the percentages like this. So as part of step 3, so task 3 is to use 5 SAP IDs 1 to 5 for every design the course. Create a 3D with the following access to the number, name of the course project. So and this as part of step 3. So so I have used this visualization. So here we have the student IDs on this axis. So student ID. So for this, I've used this CPID uh, dataset one where we have course project, course project. see here. Course project, step one, course project presentation, average of course project, step two, average of final exam, and average of midterm. And we have on the y-axis and the students on the x-axis. And you can see here that I've selected average here, not sum or anything like that. So this is for one data set. And if you go to step 3.2, this is for double click on this. This is for created for data set two for the various data. The step 3.3. So this is created for data set 3. This now is created using the data set 3, and the checkboxes mentions that which data we have used to create this visualization. So for step 3, 4, so yeah, step 3, 4, I used a different data set, and step 3.5, I used 4 and 5. So there, so yeah, and for 4, 1, under task 4, using 5 SAP IDs, 1 to 5. Uh, Calculate percentage students in each course obtained A grade, B, and other final grades for every two, and create a 2D chart for the following axis. So, as part of this, if you can click on this, you can see the dataset one, and this is for created for the dataset one, which has the following legends: the students and final exams dataset. You can check this out. So, and the values would be the average of final score. And for data set for the 4 2, I have used the data set 2. 4 3, I have used, just click on one, like on the visualization, we can see the data set which is used. And if you see for 4 4, I've used data set 4 and 4 to create the 4 5. I've used the data set 4 and the task 5 is to uh, combine all the charts created in step 4 on a single 3D or charts. The third additional access on this chart will be the name of the commercial semester. So this is the task 5 which I have created. So this includes the two different data sets, the one from the master's data set, and this is for SAP ID or for data set one, and we have taken all the maximum of final score, maximum of final exam, and max of midterm. So these are all the different values, and this is for the 5 2 and for the 5 3. So as part of task six is to uh, using SAP ID 0 calculate average values of score obtained by all the students and the IDs for each course assignment and create a 2D chart. So this one is for to represent the average of course project presentation, average of midterm, average of final exam, and average of step two and different step two in by these different students. So here you can see the master data set. I have used the average of course, average of midterm, final, and for course project step two. So this is the visualization. So just we can see the student IDs on this axis. If you just scroll this one, you can see the graph, the visual representation here. So thank you, Professor, for giving me this opportunity.